Keto-friendly egg bites. Rebel canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Hey, be sure you're subscribed because sometimes YouTube does some funny things with that. And be sure to hit the like button on your way out. Thanks. Surplus of eggs on the homestead? Then you're going to love this recipe I have today. All right, let's see how these turned out. So this is my first time making this recipe. I saw it on Flav City. So, yes, he was right. These are as good or better than Starbucks. So set up your blender and gather your ingredients. So we're making the Starbucks copycat egg bites. It starts with 1 cup of cottage cheese. So we have the 1 cup of cottage cheese. I have 10 eggs. Oh. See if we can. The cottage cheese is what give it the fluffiness. So, season with your heart. I use some cracked ground pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I use some parsley, some garlic powder, about a teaspoon, and I added a teaspoon of Lawry seasoning salt. Go ahead and pulse blend this until the cottage cheese has been pureed into the egg mixture and the seasonings have been added. It should be kind of light and frothy looking when you're done. It takes about 20 seconds. He said on his video, I think it takes a little bit longer. Maybe it's just the kind of blender I'm using. A pan in the bottom of your oven when you're preheating it, half full with water. And we're going to do these for 30 minutes or until the eggs are just set. You don't want to overcook them. Some salt and some fresh ground pepper. Thank you. Go ahead and pour them into your greased muffin tins and then add anything like your cooked bacon, cooked sausage, cooked vegetables, anything like that. And then go ahead and cover them nicely with a good coating of cheese, because cheese makes everything better. I use Fiesta blend. This is a great way to use up any of those leftover odds and ends of cooked vegetables. And I'm just going to top this with some Fiesta blend cheese. And by the way, these are keto friendly egg bites. They're the imitation Starbucks. Of course, the minute I start filming, I have to cough. Drink. Okay, thank you. Go ahead and bake at 350 degrees, and you want them just 30 minutes, just until the eggs set. You don't want them rubbery, and that's why you have that pan of water in there. It helps keep them from getting really rubbery. And these came out so delicious. Definitely going to be making them again. I'm going to put them in my freezer, some in my refrigerator, and we have quick breakfast on those early mornings when I'm trying to get the kids out the door for school. And great way to use up my surplus eggs. Next time I'll put some vegetables, but these are very keto friendly. You can make them if you're on a keto diet. So the whole recipe will be in the description below. I love this. Thank you, everybody. See you later, Rebel Canners. Store in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. Or freeze for up to 6 months. Be sure to check out this other playlist I have for breakfast ideas. Like, subscribe, ring that notification bell. So many things coming up in the next year I can't wait to share with you.